I have this 10-inch by 10-inch white wood plaque that I got from Michael's. It was a pack of 2. And I'm going to take my General Finishes Antique Walnut Gel Stain and a Gen Foam brush, and I'm going to cover the entire front and sides of my board with the gel stain. Once fully covered, I then just take a piece of paper towel and rub in the gel stain. And you can make this as dark or as light as you'd like. And I'm going to set that aside to dry. I got this leaf wood cutout from my Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut the top hanger off. I want to try to fill in that hole, so I have some spackle here. You can also just use wood putty. Either works fine. And I'm going to paint my leaf with the Wise Owl Snow Owl, and I gave this 2 coats. Once fully covered, I'm then going to put that aside to dry. I have these Jenga block pieces. You can get the unfinished wood ones from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take 3 of them and glue them side by side. And I'm just using some hot glue. You can also use some wood glue. Once I had the 3, I'm going to take 1 and put it on the right side. And then I'm going to take another one and put it on the other side. And then I'm going to take the last 2 and glue them on the front. So I'm going to put one on one half of the front and the second one on the other half of the front, so you have them hanging over the sides a little bit. And then I'm going to paint that using the Wise Owl Snow Owl. And you can pick any colors that match your decor. And then I'm going to allow that to fully dry. I have this welcome word. I got it in a pack of words from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to take my General Finishes gel stain and just stain the front of the word. And you can see how all the different types of wood and finishes they have on prior to staining them really absorb the gel stain differently. So this is a little darker, but I like that. And I'm going to glue that onto the front of the little board that we made with the Jenga blocks. Now that everything's dry, I'm going to take my leaf and glue that right onto the plaque. You can find these burlap leaves from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 5, and they came in different colors. I'm going to take one of the orange ones and glue that onto the white leaf. And I'm just cutting the wire stem so that it sits with the plaque stem. And then I'm going to glue the little welcome board to the front here. And this is such lightweight that it held fine with the hot glue. And that's a little holder for a tea light. And I decided to add a little raffia bow to the top of my leaf to just cover up that hole. And there you go. Now we have this very easy welcome leaf light. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.